Hello everyone. So today we are making something different on our menu today. Something we never made before. So what do we have today? Let me show you. So here I have chicken feet, smoked turkey, and here I have very fresh goat meat. Ah, how does that sound? Good, right? So I'm not going to make only this alone, but also we have this is what we're gonna mix with this meat here. This is frozen potato leaves, frozen okra, blended one. But for my first time cooking the blended okra on my menu, that will be today. I have fresh, very fresh okra. Never had any spicy food on this channel. Hey, I have our hot pepper, bell pepper, ginger, onion, garlic, green onion. Gonna blend them. I love palm oil. Stay where you are and enjoy watching this video. Now let's us go and wash this. Come with me.